Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last month, this particular month, and how it will move in the next month, that is January 2023. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, as I have already explained you, there is two pattern forming. This is from 2012 to 2020 and this is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, and after what we have seen, there is a downfall has come and then started moving upside. Okay, suppose what you can see looking at this particular chart, there is an uptrend is forming. If you look at this particular chart, the same trend we have seen formed here. Okay, so these two particular month, what we have seen, there is a green candles forming. That means both the months we have seen the price of gold has moved upside. Okay, so what you can see looking at this chart for the next month, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, what we can see looking at this particular, a swing is forming at this particular level, which I have already explained you that 1613. Keep a note of it that this is the weak support. So chances are very high if the price comes close to this level, we can see it can make a sharp fall. Okay, now it has made a swing at this particular level, moving upside. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, okay, because these levels are already being a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. We can see it can go towards a level of around $1821. Okay, so why I'm telling you this, because this is what you can see the next resistance forming at coming at around $1808. Okay, so once the price sustain above this particular level, which is currently trading at around $1799.40, we can see a level of $1808. If the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go towards a level of around 1815. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching a level of 1821 is there, because all these resistance are weak resistance. So chances are high that once it goes above a level of 1808, we can see it can touch a level of $1821, and once it sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1855. Keep this in mind, because it is moving same pattern we have seen, it is moving in this particular zone. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain above this particular level, we can see it can, the next resistance coming after 1852, we can see it can go towards a level of around 1879. This 1879 is again a weak resistance, so chances are high we can see it can go towards a level of around 1903, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of around $1916. Okay, so as you can see in a monthly chart, there is a clear points where if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can go towards 1815, which is a weak resistance, so chances are high that we can see a level of $1825. $1825 is again a weak resistance, so chances are high that it can go towards 1832, and it can cross that particular zone, can go towards a level of 1855. Okay, and once it move up that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1869 to a level of around $1882. Okay, and once the price move up that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around $1903.36. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, then we can see it can cross a level of 1913 and can go towards a level of around $1933.93. Okay, and once started moving upside, we can see it can go and touch a level of around 1961 also, once it sustain a $1933. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, and a pattern will form if the price sustain above a level of 9020, then we can see it can go further high. But looking at this chart, what we have seen, there is quite a volatile market we have seen for gold, but there is a continuous downfall we have seen in the gold after making this particular high. If you look at this particular chart, there is continuous 4, 5, 7 months we have seen there is a continuous red candles are forming. Now these 2 months we have seen, yes, it is getting stable and now moving upside. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see a next support coming at around $1787. Okay, and if that level moves further low, then a probability of touching a level of 1770 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can move further low, and a probability of touching 1747 is there. Okay, keep this in mind. Once it fall below a level of $1787, chances are high that we can see it can go towards a level of around 1767. Okay, and from there we can see a level of 1757. Okay, and if that fall that level, then we can see a level of $1736 to a level of 1730. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go towards a level of around 1716. Okay, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around 17. After 1716, we can see it can go towards a level of 1682. Okay, so you have to keep this in mind, 1689 to a level of 1682. Okay, again I repeat, if the price fall below this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of around $1784 to a level of around 1760, and from there we can see a level of 1747. And if it fall below that level, we can see a level of 1736, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1716. Okay, and once the price fall below that level, then we can see a level of $1702, and if it falls below that particular level, then we can see a level of 1689. Okay, and once the price fall below 1689, keep a note of it, 1689, then we can see it can fall further low and a probability of going towards further down. Then we can see there can a sharp fall can come and a probability of moving towards 1621 is there. So you have to keep a note, if the price comes close to 1689, that there is a sharp fall we can see and a probability of touching 1618, and it can cross a level of 1618 and can touch a level of 1611.25. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to